Hi, today we are going to learn how to use layer masks. So, I have two images here. The top one says top, it's blue in color, and the bottom one says bottom, and it's yellow in color. And I have placed the top above the bottom layer. So, what do layer masks do? Layer masks allow us to show things from different layers at the same time. So now I'll pick the eraser tool and show you how. Sorry, I need to select the layer first. And now we have the eraser tool. Let us see what happens when we erase the top layer. As you can see, when we use the eraser tool, it cuts holes into the layer and allows the layer underneath to show through. So the disadvantage is, if we have to change something, if we change our mind later on, there's no way to fix it. So this is the problem that the layer masks solve. So what we're going to do is we undo everything we've done till now. Okay. Now we select the top layer and we click on the mask option. This is the mask option. So we click on it. This will create a mask onto the layer that is selected. So what happens is, whatever we do will stay on this mask. For example, we can take the brush tool. Okay, so this is the foreground color and this is the background color. So the foreground color white reveals, and the black color, that is the background color, it conceals. So what we mean to say is, the white color reveals the top layer, whereas the black color reveals the bottom layer. So when it is white color and we pick our brush and try to paint over the top layer, nothing will happen. But when you click on X, now you see that the foreground color is black. So when we use the brush now and draw, we can see that it conceals the top layer and we can see what's below it. Now if you think you don't want to, now say you don't want this extra thing, what you do is you press the X key again, so that the white is the foreground color, and now you start using the brush again to reveal the top layer. It's that simple. Now let us see where it is used. We have our artboard here and we need two pictures. So I'm going to drag these two pictures onto this artboard. So only one got copied. Okay, now both of them got copied, as you can see. So what I want is, I want this girl on the beach. So this girl on this beach. It says this is smart object, must be rasterized before proceeding. Okay, so we right click and rasterize this layer. So what we want to do is, we want to bring her a bit down like this, and then we want to create a mask for this layer. So pick the mask option. Now that we have a mask, what we need to do is, we need to take our brush tool and we need to start brushing around. Now you see nothing's happening because white is the foreground color. Now we are supposed to click X so that black becomes the background color. I mean to start using the brush tool to start revealing what's behind this layer. So the right side square bracket can make the brush size bigger, and the left side square bracket will make the brush smaller. So we can pick a larger brush for this part and start working on it like this. And then, since majority of it is done, let us reduce the brush size and work in detail. So after you're done, it should be looking something like this. So you can bring any object onto any picture